In this video, we are going to install and test Handy, which seems like quite a handy tool as it's a free open source cross-platform speech-to-text app that runs entirely offline for privacy-first transcription. This application is built with Tori, which is simply Rust plus React, and it lets you press a configurable shortcut, speak, and instantly paste the transcript into any text field, no cloud involved. I will be talking more about how exactly it works behind the scene, but for now, let's get it installed. Just go to their repo and from there, download the software as per your platform. As you can see, it is supported on Mac, Windows, various flavors of Linux. I have the Debian one, which let me show you quickly. This is my Debian system, or sorry, Ubuntu system, and this is my NVIDIA GPU card, NVIDIA RTX A6000 with 48 GB of VRAM. You can even run it on CPU with the Whisper. I will show you shortly. If you're looking to rent a VM or GPU on very good prices with a discount coupon code of 50%, just check the video description for Mass Compute and you won't be disappointed. So let's download it from my Ubuntu Debian. It is downloaded. Let me go here. Let me clear the screen. Let me go to my downloads directory and it should be there. There you go. So I could simply do sudo apt install and Handy, and that should get it installed. You can even go with a /1, and then you can simply press capital Y and it will install all the dependencies on your local system. And Handy is installed, and from there you can simply launch Handy. And if you want to just see where Handy is, this is where Handy is, and then either you can do like Handy and then it is going to launch it on your local system. Let me make it a bit bigger. As I said, I'm going to load this parakeet model, and if you just look here on the bottom, it is extracting parakeet, and parakeet is already loaded. If I quickly show you my VRAM consumption, because parakeet is already loaded, let's see if it is consuming any VRAM or not. No, it is all running on CPU. No VRAM is being consumed at all. Okay, and from here it is going to detect the language. Control plus space is how it works, and you can also do push to talk. There are some advanced stuff where you can translate to English, and there are various languages it also supports. Okay, so I'm just going to keep it like this, and I am going to open another window. I'll just click on this text box. From here, you see I have pressed Control space and it has opened it up. I think I'll just need to make it a bit smaller so that you can see what is happening, because it doesn't show the bottom of my browser. Let me do it again. I'm just pressing Control space. Okay, so what happened is it just shows an icon at the very bottom of my VM, and because I'm using this VM, so it doesn't show you that. And whatever you need to do, just speak and then release. It transcribes and displays it on your text box. Okay, let me try Handy in this Google text field. So I'm just going to press Control space again, and then I will speak something. Hello, this is Fahad Mirza. And it has typed hello, whatever I spoke. So all you need to do is to just press that and then speak and release that control space, and it is going to type it wherever the focus of your keyboard or mouse is, if it is URL field or if it is a text field. So you can fill in forms by just speaking. You can use it in any application where you don't want to type. You can simply speak and then it will type it for you, and the lag will depend upon which model are you using, and the accuracy will also be affected by the type of the model. So whispers are quite good but not as accurate as parakeet, but if you, and I mean the whisper small, the large one is quite good. So depending upon which sort of whisper you are using. Another cool feature of this tool is that it filters silence with Silero, wed and transcribes locally using your choice of models, as I showed you. So you can use it with Whisper in small, medium, turbo, large variants with GPU acceleration if that is available, or the fast CPU only Parakeet version 3 with automatic language detection, and that is what I used. It is designed to be simple and highly extensible, and as I said, you can install it on Windows, Mac, or wherever you like on any sort of Linux flavor. Windows and Macs are simple exe or DMG files, which are quite common. And the setup is fairly straightforward. If I just open it setup, as you can see here, you can even change your handy shortcuts. I was just using the default control space. You can use any. Now, one thing I have noticed that on Linux, you can't really select the language for some reason. But when I checked it out on Windows, there is a lot of option for the languages from European to Asian. So check it out. Also, you can change your Microsoft as you like. I'm just using it through my VM, so that is why I'm just opting for default because I'm tunneling it. And then from there, you can even translate to English from any other language. You just have to toggle it on. And also, I have seen that it's not as accurate. I'm not sure what is happening there, but maybe due to Parakeet model. And then you can even keep your microphone always on. It is going to transcribe all the time. The model will remain busy. Also, you can if there are some words like names and stuff which it always misspells, you can always use the custom words here. That is going to give model some direction as how to use it with your own words here, as you can see. Also, if your system doesn't have much RAM or VRAM and you really just want to do transcription and then automatically offload the model, because remember, even if you are not using it, as long as handy is running, your model will keep consuming your VRAM or your RAM, and it also might overload your CPU. So it is always a good idea that if you're not using it, maybe you can say, okay, after 2 minutes it should unload the model. This is where you can select your overlay position. Normally I just select bottom so that it will remain out of my way. And then there is some history, there is about box. Just you see, primarily behind the scene it is using whisper.cpp, which we already have covered on the channel, which is again a great project. All you need to do is to just go to channel, search with whisper.cpp, and we have already covered it. And by the way, we have covered hundreds of STT TTS models, so if you're interested, just check it out. Please like the video and subscribe, and also do me a favor and become a member, as that helps a lot. I'm also going to drop the link to this in video's description, so check it out. I also want to introduce you to the sponsors of the video, who are iGent. iGent is the world's first multi-agent workforce desktop application that empowers you to build, manage, and deploy a custom AI workforce that can turn your most complex workflows into automated tasks. Thank you for all the support.